Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we're gonna make the best oven baked french fries that taste just like a restaurant style. They come out crispy and perfectly seasoned, no need for frying. This recipe guys, we're gonna use few tricks to get the best crispy texture and the right seasoning blend. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are using 5 russet potatoes guys. You'll start peeling the potatoes, and if you prefer fries unpeeled, you may skip this step. Once the potatoes are peeled, now we're gonna cut them into classic french fry shape. Slice each potato lengthwise into 3 slices, then cut each slice into half-inch strips, creating the perfect french fry. Now we're gonna put the peeled and cut potatoes into a large saucepan filled with cold water, then add baking soda and salt. Baking soda guys is gonna break down the pectin in the potatoes and draw starch to the surface. So by adding it, it will jumpstart the browning process, meaning the fries will get browner and crispier faster than they do on their own. Now we're gonna take this to the stove and let it boil for 10 minutes. Do not overboil the potatoes or they will become mushy. We just want it to be half cooked guys. We are parboiling them. Now we're gonna drain the potatoes and transfer them to a baking sheet lined with paper towels to let them cool down and fully dry. The potatoes are fully dry. We're gonna transfer to a clean baking sheet, then drizzle with olive oil, followed by salt, garlic powder, paprika, and Cajun seasoning. Using your hands, mix everything together, making sure that each and every fry is coated with the seasoning. Guys, you are more than welcome to use the spatula to mix. Now we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the fries guys and flip them over and bake them for another 10 minutes until they are golden brown. The fries are out of the oven guys. I'm confident that once you try this oven baked fries guys, you'll never buy frozen french fries again. The fries are ready to be served guys. I can't wait to munch on this. Serve on a plate with ketchup, then garnish with chopped parsley. Now it's time for taste test. So crispy and delicious. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.